Hello everyone. Today we will be telling you about market outlook and trading ideas for the week ahead with Mr. Imran Vora, VP Equity Research. Subscribe now and press the bell icon to GEPL Capital's YouTube channel and never miss out on any stock market update and build your knowledge on investment.
Hello everyone. In the current week, we have seen that the broader indices has closed at a record level of 17,323 with a massive weekly gain of 618 points, or in terms of percentage, it was a gain of 3.69%. Now, here are the few observations for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, purely from technical perspective. In the current week, we have seen that once again, the market has made fresh new lifetime high at 17,340 level and also maintained it higher top, higher bottom formation, which shows strong positive sentiment prevailing in the market. Talking about weekly charts, the Nifty has formed a big bullish candle pattern with a rising gap, which confirms the bullish undertone of the market from medium to long-term perspective. The Nifty has been making a fresh lifetime high since last 5 days on the daily chart, which indicates strong strength of the trend from short to medium term perspective. Talking about momentum indicators, daily momentum indicators is sustaining firmly above the mark of 65, which shows that strong bullish momentum is prevailing in the market and remain intact in the coming time also. Talking about support and resistance level, key support is placed at 16,722, which is a gap support, as well as below that at 16,376, which is a 3-week low. On the higher side, major supply is placed at 18,016 and above that at 18,230. Now, what could be the possible strategy or probable strategy to trade this type of market with this trending day on and daily move? Since the larger degree trend is strongly on the positive side, we should go long, and for existing long as well as fresh new long position, traders should keep a strict stop loss of 16,722 and advise to ride the trend. Now coming on to Bank Nifty, that how Bank Nifty seems to be looking on daily as well as on weekly charts. In this week, we have observed that the Bank Nifty has also moved in tandem with the Nifty. And on weekly charts, the Bank Nifty has sustained above its 5 months high, which indicates strong bullish undertone specifically in this index. On the daily chart as well, it has been forming higher top, higher bottom formation from last 2 weeks, which confirms positive strength of the market or positive strength for this particular index from short to medium term perspective. Daily momentum indicators of Bank Nifty are sustaining above 60 mark, which shows some lack of momentum comparative to Nifty from short-term perspective. Immediate support level for Bank Nifty will be at 35,722, which is the current week low, and below that at 34,817. While on the higher side, Bank Nifty is facing major supply as 37,708, which is its lifetime high, and above that at 39,057. Now we have identified 2 stocks for the next week, which looks strongly from technical perspective and highly probable that they might outperform the broader indices. So first one is HPCL Limited, Hindustan Petroleum. One can buy a minor dip around 272 with a strict stop loss placing at 262, and this stock has an upside potential up to 290. Other stocks which seems to be strongly looking on the charts is BHEL Limited, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. One can buy at 55 mark with a stop loss placing at 52, and this stock has an upside potential at 62. So that's it for the week, friends. If you like our technical view as well as our weekly picks, you can subscribe our YouTube channel and request you to kindly follow us on social media, specifically on Twitter and Instagram. Thanks for joining us.